Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited about this, you guys. So if you were here for my 31 days of resin wean, I received a message from JDiction. They had a new eco resin. They wanted to know if I wanted to try it, and I said hell yes, because I wanted to make the hand from Talk to Me. Anyway, all of that is to say, they contacted me again and said that they had a new Christmas kit. I'm so excited I can't even think of the words. They had a new Christmas kit for ResinCrete, and they wanted to know if I wanted to try it. And again, I said, hell yes, here's my address. Please send it to me. I'm so excited. I loved the ResinCrete when I tried it during 31 days, and I'm sure I'm going to love it again. So, this is the JDiction. I'm going to, so that way there's not a glare anymore. JDiction ResinCrete Kit. This is the DIY Christmas gifts. It comes with everything that you need in it. 30 minutes to demold. And let's open her up. Now, I will say I did not wait for you guys. I was too excited. I went ahead and... yeah, I opened it as soon as I got it in the mail, and then I had to take my boys home. But anyway, okay, so this is everything that you get in the kit. I'm so excited. So, 2 more mixing cups, which I love. I have, look, here's the thing, right? I don't clean up unless I have to. This is the other mixing cups that they sent with some old ResinCrete in it, right? So it has the measurements on it, but if you look at the new one that they sent, it comes with the measurement ratios on there, which is really cool. So, 2 mixing cups, very excited about that. It comes with 2 300-gram bags. I believe that if you mix all 300 grams, that you need 90 grams of water, but I'm going to redo that math and just double check that. So yeah, so 2 300-gram bags of the ResinCrete mix. It comes with a painting kit, so it's got all these paint pots and 3 paint brushes. Yeah. Do I think that these paints are going to be good? No, not necessarily. Do they have to be good? No, because... you know, I don't really plan on painting a whole lot of these. I am going to be painting one of them, but not the rest, so yeah. So it comes with that, and it comes with a bunch of molds. So this is a super cute Santa Claus mold, and he's got a little foothold thing here, for reasons which you'll see. It comes with this adorable Christmas tree mold, 3D Christmas tree mold with a star. I love that. It comes with a super cute snowman mold. It comes with this coaster mold. So it's like a Christmas tree with some stars around it. It comes with 7 Christmas ornament molds. They are, well, those are upside down. They're very cute. So we've got a Santa Claus, a deer. This one says Merry Christmas. And then on this side, we've got a cute little gingerbread man, a bell, a Christmas tree, and then a snowman. And then it comes with this mold, which I believe you're meant to put your Santa in after he cures, okay? And that came in this, they came together, so that's why I assume that they are together. It comes with this really cute little palette for mixing your paint colors. Comes with a stir stick, and then it comes with your destructions. So very cute. I didn't even open this. Look how cute this is. Like they've added like all the Christmassy stuff to it. Okay, so it comes with all your destructions. It even comes with how to mix colors if your color theory isn't on point. It comes with the mix ratios. So yes, so 300 grams to 90 milliliters of water. Yeah, that's what we'll do today. We're going to mix up one of those bags, and we're going to fill whatever it fills. And then we'll go from there. And yeah, so this is such a cute little kit. I love it. I think it's adorable. I'm going to have the price listed somewhere on the screen right now. I also do have a discount code with them, which my brain is faltering and I cannot remember, but that will also be on the screen as well as listed in the description box below. I don't know if I'm an affiliate. Like, I don't know if I get commission off of JDiction stuff. I'm not sure. But if I am, it'll, you know, all that info will be listed in the description box. So definitely, if this is something that you would be interested in purchasing, check it out. Again, if I do get commission, that's you don't pay extra for that. They just give me a slice off of it somewhere. Yeah, I'm so excited. I think this would actually be a super fun kit if you have children. Because this is super simple and easy. This is an eco. Do you call it an eco resin? Oh, sorry about my alarm. Do you call it an eco resin? Because it's not really a resin. It's made of natural minerals. I don't know what you call. It's called ResinCrete. So is it resin and concrete? I don't know. But anyways, it's non-toxic. That's that's what I'm trying to get to. Oh god, this is going to be a pain in the butt to edit down. Anyway, it's non-toxic. So I think this would actually be a perfect kit for children. But yes, so here's what I want to do. I want to pour these two today. And probably a couple of these. I think 300 milliliters will fill these two, plus maybe one or two of these. And then we will set these other ones aside. I'll grab a little mixing. And then I'm going to put that and one of these back. And one of the cups back. For now. So, let me get all of this stuff unwrapped, and we'll get to mixing, and we will start playing with this. I'm so excited about this kit, you guys. I mean, clearly, this has been, I've filmed 7 minutes. If I leave all of this in, I apologize for the length, but yes, let's get started. Alright, y'all. When I was pouring these, I could definitely tell that I had gotten out of the ResinCrete system and way into resin again. I totally forgot. I knew it was an 8-minute working time, but my brain decided, no, it's not. It's actually like a 10-minute working time. And it started to set on me in the cup as I was pouring it, as I'm sure the video will show. So I do have quite a lot left in here as well as here. I wanted to try to add some glitter, and I recently invested in a huge bottle of Larisi holographic silver, and I wanted to add that to the tree because I wanted to see what it would do, whether it would show on the outside and that kind of thing. Also, you can see just how lumpy this came out because by the time that I'd mixed in the glitter and poured both of these, it was really starting to set. I don't know if you guys have ever played with this or if you even know what I'm talking about, but when I was a child, and also for my children, I used to make oobleck is what I would call it, and it was basically a mixture of water and a powder. Not baking soda. I don't know. But, so you would mix it together, and when you would, you know, put your hands in it and work it, it would turn solid, and then as soon as you would let go, it would, yeah, starch. Is that what it was? Starch? I don't know. Anyway, let's demold these. So I'm going to try to paint this cute little snowman. That came out perfectly. Wow. And by came out perfectly, I mean that it demolded really nicely. Is it still little? Or is that from a bubble? I can't tell. I think that's from a bubble, although it does still feel, I don't know, it's been a couple hours, so. Here's the cute little snowman. He's very cute, but, yeah. I'm going to assume that that is from, like, a bubble, maybe? Okay. And the tree I'm very nervous about. I did try to squeeze out all of the bubbles in the little branches, but by the time that I got this poured and then this was already, you know, starting to set, and so I'm worried that I just caused a whole bunch of breaks in it, so I don't know. Let's see. These molds feel really nice, by the way. They're softer silicone, so they're easier to roll back. Okay, so I am seeing some bubbles in the tips that I was not able to squeeze out. But, oh, and a huge one in the tip of the star. But other than that, let me turn this right side in again and bring it up so you can see the holographic glitter is embedded in there. I do want to try this again with the holographic glitter. I want to pour this all on its own so I'm not dealing with a whole huge amount of the ResinCrete curing up on me. I want to mix it up again, but I want to I added a ton of glitter, and it's barely visible in there. I want to add like a gargantuan amount of glitter. I think that would probably look really, really pretty. Okay. And let's demold this mess. So what I ended up doing was after I poured both of those, I'm not sure if it made it in the edit yet because I haven't edited anything. I ran my gloved finger over here because there were lumps on the back, and that actually kind of brought liquid to the surface and made it so that I could kind of smooth it down and then add more of the stuff to the top. But here is how that turned out. It is so pretty. And the best part is, you guys, obviously, these are silicone molds, so you can use them again with the ResinCrete. You can even use these with resin. You know, just obviously make sure that the molds are completely clean. before you do that, but still, oh, I love this stuff. I really, really do. What I would suggest doing before you paint and, you know, obviously string like the ornaments up and hang them up, I would let these cure or dry out for at least, I would say 24 to 36 hours, just to make sure that they are completely cured. Because the last thing you want is for you to finish all of the painting on this and finishing and then hang it up on your tree, and this part is a weak point because it's so thin and it hasn't cured all the way that it just breaks and then the whole thing shatters. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what else I can do with this. I do have an idea. Thursday's video is going to be super fun. So yeah, and in Thursday's video, I will show this all painted up. I don't have time to do that today, but I will be painting this and showing it in Thursday's video, so stay tuned for that. Again, if you would like to get a hold of the JDiction ResinCrete Christmas gift kit, the link for everything is in the description box below. I do have a discount code, so that will be there as well, also on the screen if editing Megan remembers to put it there. And yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.